How to create a YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to share with you step by step how you can create a brand new YouTube channel. Now, once you have gone through these steps, then you can see how easily it is for you to create additional channels on your YouTube. And then also you can use those different channels for different niches and things like that. So if you're brand new to this channel, my name is Lindsay. And on this channel, I share with you guys tips and strategies on how to earn money from home. Now, those type of topics interest you, make sure you go underneath this video and hit that subscribe button so that way you get more updates when I do videos like this onto YouTube. So in this strategy I'm going to share with you, or not the strategy, but this step-by-step tutorial I'm going to share with you, I'm going to show you really quickly how to set it up, and you can go ahead and get things going, show you some of the basic things that you need to optimize your channel to the fullest. And then once you have everything set up, the only thing you need to do is just press that upload button. So let's go ahead, let's dive into the content. So the first thing you want to do is you want to come to youtube.com, of course. And once we're here, you want to go ahead and click on that sign in button. Now, once we have clicked the sign in button, it's going to prompt you to enter your email account information. So if you have a Gmail account, you automatically have a YouTube channel. Now, if you're brand new and you do not have a Gmail account, what you want to do is you want to come here and click create account. Now, what you have here, you have the first option where it says for myself. So you can create a personalized YouTube channel, and then you have the next option where it says to manage my business. Now with manage my business, you can create a branded YouTube channel, and it's going to come with additional features where you can actually have other people to help you maintain your channel, okay? So you have the option to give somebody else, like ownership of the actual channel. Maybe you are working with a business partner and you guys have 50% each for ownership of the channel, so you can do it that way. You can also just give the option to have somebody to upload videos for you, also to just leave comments and things like that on other videos on your channel and things like that. So what you want to do in this option is you want to go ahead and just click on the manage my business. Now, even if you were to choose the other option, you can always come in at a later date and choose the branded option. So we're going to click on this one right here. And what you want to do here is you want to go ahead and create a new a new Gmail account. Okay, so you want to enter your first name, your last name, your create a new email address, and then what it's going to do is it's going to prompt you once you hit next. It's going to prompt you to verify that account. So when you do that, it's going to make sure that they're going to send you an option where you need to verify your Gmail account with a phone number, okay? And how they're going to be able to verify that information is by them actually sending you a text to your phone, or they can actually call you and give you a special like a special code that you're going to enter into that information, enter into Gmail. Now, once that has been verified, you will now have a new Gmail account. So now that you have verified your account, the next thing that you want to do is you want to come to youtube.com, and we want to go ahead and sign in again. So once you have signed in again, you want to go ahead and you want to click on your profile picture, and you want to hit your channel. Now here, this is what our channel currently looks like. So the next thing that we want to do is we want to come over here and we want to click on customize channel. Now that we're here, what we want to do is on this area right here, we go ahead and start to personalize it a little bit. So we can add channel art. We can also change the picture here. I won't focus on this right now, but you can add a picture of yourself or whatever it is here. And then for channel art, if we click on that button, we can upload a picture that we already have. We can come over here to gallery, and you see that they already have not videos, but pictures that we can go ahead and use temporarily. You can just go ahead and use this for the meantime, and you can always come back and use a customized channel link. So you can channel art. So a website that you can go to and create one for free is called canva.com. So now we're over here at Canva. If we go ahead and put YouTube channel art, they already have templates here that you can come through here and you can actually customize it. And once you have customized it, you can just save to your desktop, and then you can come back over to your YouTube channel and you can upload that from your photos. But we're just going to use this for right now. So we're going to click on select. Now the next thing we want to do is we want to click on our profile picture again, and we want to come over here to YouTube Studio. And once we have the studio set up, it's showing, we want to go ahead and click on settings. Now that we're here, what we want to do is we want to click on channel, and we want to go ahead and add some keywords here for our channel. So we want to go ahead and click in some keywords. So like for my channel, if it's like a make money online channel, you want to put make money online and follow it with a comma. So you can have that information here. I'll include my name too. So you just want to include a few keywords that's going to be really related to your channel. And then what you want to do here is you want to select your country. So of course, I'm in the United States. I'm going to select United States. And wherever you are located in the world, make sure you just go ahead and choose that country. And then you want to click on save. Then we want to come back here to settings, click on channel again, click on advanced settings, and we want to make sure that we choose this setting here, especially no, this channel is not made for kids. Now if your channel is made for kids, you want to go ahead and you want to click on this option right here. But if your channel is not made for kids or any of the content that you're creating, make sure you go ahead and select this option. The reason why you want to make sure that you do this is because when YouTube starts running ads against your channel and you say that your channel is made for kids when it's not, it could cause you some problems down the road, okay? A lot of ads, or companies, when they run ads against YouTube videos, that's targeting families or kids or whatever else, they want to make sure they're targeting the right people, okay? So if your channel is not made for kids, make sure you come here and you want to go ahead and select that no option, okay? And then also right here, you can change the option here if you want to display the number of people that are subscribed to your channel. I leave mine on. Some people don't like to show theirs, so you can just come here and you can turn that off. And then you can come under here where it says branding, and right here this gives you the option to change the little watermark that's going to be located at the bottom right of your videos. Now this is just another way for people, when they click on the image, is another way they can actually subscribe to your channel or anything like that. So that's what you want to do underneath these particular tabs. Now the next tab that you want to go ahead and check under, you can come over here to upload defaults. Now underneath here, you can create some information here that can you can always include in your title if you want to. So no matter what videos you upload, this information will always show up in your title, so you can do that. You can go ahead and put in a default description, something that you're going to include in every video. And I know for me, since I do a lot of affiliate marketing on my YouTube channel, what I end up doing is I have disclosures included at the bottom of my descriptions. I have an affiliate disclosure, I have an earnings disclosure, and things like that. So I'll go ahead and I can just pre-populate that information here, so that no matter when whatever video I upload, that information will always be there. And then you have the option here where it says visibility. So this way that whenever you upload a video, show up as public, private, or unlisted. I don't have any of these selected on mine, but you definitely want to make sure you keep it as private or unlisted, so that way you can do additional optimizations for your videos after you have uploaded them, and you can go ahead and make sure all that information is done before you make a video public. And then also the same thing here, you can include tags that can be included in every video. I leave mine blank because my tags change per video, but that's what you can definitely do here. And then underneath the advanced settings here, you can come here, you can change the comments to actually hold all potentially inappropriate comments. You can have them to hold so you can actually review the comments before they actually go live on your channel and things like that. You can select your video language here. You can also select the category of your actual channel, okay? So if your channel is a how-to channel, you want to go ahead and select here. If it's education, you can select here. Pets, music, you have all the options right here. You can choose those options there, and you can go ahead and click save. Now the next thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and click on your profile tab, profile picture here. Click on your channel. Then you want to click on it again. And the reason why I'm telling you guys to do a lot of these extra steps is because right now YouTube has moved over to they're moving over to a new kind of stylized platform, and sometimes it kind of reverts back to the old version occasionally. So that's the reason why I'm having you guys to do a few steps here, but just keep following along, and that way you can go ahead and have your channel optimized. So the next thing you want to do, again, click on your profile picture here, and then you want to click on settings. Now that we're here, what we want to do is we want to go ahead and click on channel status and features. So right here, this is the option right here where you want to verify your account. Now when you verify your actual YouTube account here, it's going to allow you to actually add custom thumbnails, external annotations, and things like that as well. And then also this is where the same page you'll come to actually apply to get monetized. So again, once you have your channel set up, the next things that you want to do is you want to start uploading videos, uploading content, so that way you can go ahead and get your channel monetized. And currently at the time of this video, to get your channel monetized, you need 1,000 subs, and then you also need 4,000 watch hours, okay? So this is where you will do that information here. And again, you want to make sure that you come back here and you want to verify your account, so that way you can at least get those custom thumbnails, okay? Now we want to go back, and what we want to do is we want to click on View Advanced Settings. So underneath this tab, this is where you can actually create a custom URL for your channel. Now you have to meet some certain requirements in order to make this happen. I think you need at least 100 subscribers for you to come back here and make a custom URL. For me, what I did was, before I even had any type of subscribers or anything like that for my channel, I just went ahead and just bought a personalized domain. So my personalized domain is lindsaymore.net, and I just use that for my YouTube channel, and I have been doing that for the last few years. So, but you can do that option, or again, you can come back here and you can go ahead and make a custom URL once you have hit 100 subscribers. You can also delete your channel here, but I wouldn't even touch that. So, but that's where you want to do. If you want to delete your channel, you can also do that here as well. So in this video, I share with you step by step how you can create a new YouTube channel. So once you have everything set up and your channel is good to go, the next things that you need to focus on is getting your channel monetized. So you want to make sure that you hit 1,000 subs and then 4,000 watch hours in order to do so. So hopefully you found this video helpful, guys, and if you have any questions, make sure you leave a comment below. Also hit that like button and that subscribe button, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.